Hello viewers, welcome to your own channel Kidoctive Homeschooling. So today in this video we will learn the use of few and little, and also we are going to use a few and a little. Okay, so they are confusing, right? So after watching today's video they are not confusing for us. Okay, so let's start the video. So as I said that we are going to use few or few, little or little. Okay, so few and little we are going to use where? So few we are going to use for countable nouns and little we are going to use for uncountable nouns. This is the first thing you are going to remember that. Okay, now you can see assignments. You are seeing the S here. Assignment, assignments. So they are countable. But homework, that is not countable. That is uncountable. So we are using little there. Okay. Chairs, countable. So we use few. Furniture, we can't count. They are as a group. So uncountable. Computers, countable. But equipment, not countable, they are uncountable, so we use little here. Reports, countable, so we use few here. And information, we are not countable, means uncountable, so we use, yes, little here. So few or few, where to use? So here in the sentence you can see Rajesh has few books. So few means not enough. That's for negative use. Okay. Rajesh has few books. So coming to next. He spoke a few words. A few means some. Okay. So a few we are using it for positive. Little or little. So where we use little and where we use a little. Like few and a few, little used for negative things and a little used for some. Okay, so we are going to see through examples. I have little interest in karate, means not that much interest, so we use I have little interest in karate. Nabin has a little knowledge of science, so a little. A little means some kind of knowledge in science. I hope you understood.